few. Watch it.
Don't have no blow by yet.
That's coming out everywhere else.
She's gotta get the oil down, she'll be breathing again.
Blue Devil will work great. Yeah, I thought you had the box car. Missing out over here. See it? Yeah, it's squirting right here.
I think water's good on the timing belt. Oil can't hurt it.
Lube.
Yeah. People get too hot.
I condition the belt.
Yeah.
That ain't doing no good.
We're getting her cooled off now. Instead of having internally cooled, it's externally cooled.
Air cooled, liquid out, like liquid outside. I wonder, you might be so low on oil, you might need to put the water with it.
I put more water with the oil, make it a little more oil.
Yeah. More liquidy.
Make it a fucking fire, dude.
I don't think it likes water.
Leaving the throttle.
To the floor, having a rotor on the gas pedal. I think it's the floor. Yeah.
Let's blow that. Clean the steam, clean the piston. That's what it's doing. I don't see how it's going.
I don't either.
Well, adding that water I thought would have killed it, but
I thought it was going to help it.
helping no one. Water and engine never help.
This is getting kind of dirty.
Watch that green truck up. Now you can post it for sale. I'll mark with this video. Hey, new, like new, grandma owned, never abused.
My grandma bought it brand new.
Put it under the hood. It is. God dang.
Way to jinx it.
Jesus.
I didn't jinx it.
You did too.
You did too.
Hey, dude, I bet it starts right back up.
I don't.
Oh.
Okay, maybe not right back up, but
If it starts up, it'll be.
There's no way.
That's forked up.
I don't think it's gonna run with that hook. Oh, it fired right up on it.
Yeah. I love that thing. Oh yeah, it loves it.
I'm not going. What is that again?
I got a lot of stuff like compression, timing, got a little water. It ain't got no more water in it.
Oh, take into it.
Might need to scan that. I bet it's got a misfire somewhere.
Fill up with water.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, why not?
I It can't. I mean, it can't.
Water-
do but one or two things. Blow it out.
Water's coming out of the valve cover.
I wish you could get a lot more throttle.
What?
I wish you could get a lot more
I
throttle.
wish you'd be on the rev limiter still.
I know, that's what I mean. I wish it was. But
Be a lot cooler.
Picking up RPM.
holy fucking hell. There's no room in there for it.
The window stuff in there. Oh god, that's
No, that always goes the wrong way. Man, that head is moved so clean.
it's brand new head.
Open the roof right now.
Probably.
Stirring it up.
Stir up. Yeah, I don't want people to think it's been abused, you know, when I go to sell it.
Yeah, that's the least of our worries right now at all.
Right now it sounds like it has a blown head gasket, and I don't want people knowing that when they come to buy it.
It's been well maintained, taken care of, low out.
It ain't working. Really?
Hey, push the lid down.
I'm surprised that bucket held you. Alright. We're hooked up. What battery we got? Oh yeah, we got like 16 volts.
Good. She'll start.
I think we gotta add a little bit of nitrous. Oh yeah. No way.
It's gonna start.
Aw. Make it down to rock.
It doesn't get past now. I think it'll get past that in a minute.
We gotta let the battery charge for a second.
Juice up a little bit, yeah.
How are we gonna make it to work now? You know what? Where's your truck at?
Oh no.
Maybe we'll start now.
What the fuck, dude? Back up.
Oh, sorry. I like to be close.
Nope.
Hit it one more time.
One more time.
God dang.
Nope.
No, yes, sir.
Oh.
What the hell that I really thought it would break it a lot easier than that.
Alright, you gotta go pretty fast. You should hold on, you should get no pants and underwear and power slide down there. No, your fault. God dang it. Yeah, I don't want you shoving it up your leg or something.
He's a fucking crock of all things, dude.
Yes.
Doing this shit.
This ain't no
Just
video.
one of the one that's less than 1,000.
Do you know this is something? This is videoing now.
Yes.
You should buy it.
Just video everything.
It is old.
Right now, Ben's putting on his headphones.
Skinny barrel. It's an old
They're
one.
mixing that up.
It's like a
Elise
Nazi
is
gun.
I can hear that so
teaching
loud.
Brandon how to do it.
I can hear everything.
That's because they're
Why are you
amplifiers.
screaming?
Yeah, but the first shooting.
Are they?
Yeah, they like deaden when you shoot.
I bet they probably get anything over a certain decibel.
Yeah.
AirPods work really well.
Oh, shoot a shot.
Noise
canceling. Yeah,
That's
something
my
like that.
dad. Ben told me to record everything.
Aubrey, put your headphones on.
How am I supposed to know?
Is that Aubrey?
Another miss.
Get up behind and shoot us off.
Where's it? I can't even see it.
Where's the kills at?
Is it Tannerite down there?
No, not yet.
Oh, they're just shooting
Guaranteed.
Loud.
They're ringing already. What a shot.
I'm telling you.
Back up.
car at all.
Do not give us.
You hit the hood? Did I?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know. I didn't see it. You might got binoculars? I think it's going to shatter the headlight when we hit it. Oh. I think I got to aim lower.
Hey, you ain't
Too
blowing
low.
dirt.
Here. I won't use all your ammo.
I got the 30-round clip in it.
That's the whole idea. I'd use all of it. Shoot the headlight out.
Too low, Ben. Oh. Go to the right. Up.
That was death?
No.
My ears are ringing.
I can hear just fine.
I can hear nothing on my right ear. My left's decent.
Justin. Be serious.
Hey, don't hit my tire.
Oh, we got to
That's gonna get stuck
I
in
think
your
someone hit my
ear.
tire.
It blocks the sound. It ain't like perfect, but it's good enough.
That's just.
When something's going on.
What?
Only video when something's going on.
Well, I was trying to hold the
Something is going on.
slide
Something's
down.
going on right now, Ben.
Huh?
Yeah,
I
y'all
said
see?
something's
Oh yeah, you
going
probably should be video this way
Yeah.
more.
Oh, you want me to?
on. How many idiots does it take?
Damn gun. Yeah, let's get that part up there. I don't know.
It looked like it was moving. I could see the bullet right there.
I could see that before.
Oh, you could?
Put the magazine in it already?
I tried that first.
So we
We
do-
take that and we just take them in there and push it.
That's what I was doing earlier. We were trying to pull us back manually, but.
Aubrey.
Yeah, I was doing it.
Wait.
So it won't come back at all either?
We won't go backwards.
You have to pull the slide out. That's what you have to do. And it may not even do that with it. Have to push forward. It's already.
I believe they are done now. I haven't put everything flat. We should. That's gonna go off. That's all it is, really.
Was one already in there not fired?
I don't know if it's fired or
And I
not.
don't want to look down the barrel.
No, hell no. It's dangerous doing that. We're not knowing if it's fired or not. We're still digging around.
This guy!
Alright. Let's see.
Does a pin hit it?
No, I never fired it.
No.
If it's not fired, I didn't.
Open it up. Open it up real quick.
That sounds
Is
dirty.
it clean? It is dirty.
Goodness, man. I've never even shot it, so it ain't mine. Alright, so you want me to shoot this with the 9 you said? Alright, there you go.
No, it's just gonna bust it open.
Put that bullet in there?
I'm telling you, you're gonna waste it.
Try it.
Just
I
like
think it's
the
not even a
last
bad bullet.
time. You're not gonna hit it anyway. Are you gonna fucking do it?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it!
I'll shoot something.
Come on, here.
Oh, wait, you don't want me to hit it first?
With what?
You're gonna back up a little bit. You're gonna stand
No.
right here.
You think I can hit it? No.
What? I'll hit it right now.
All right. Now,
First one to hit
I'll
it.
hit you.
I wasn't looking.
Who shot it?
Alicia.
No, someone else shot because she hit it.
I shot it.
No.
I shot it with the 9.
Yeah, Justin shot it.
Another bullet
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah?
Is the safety on?
Yeah.
Was that a 1 pound? Yeah.
We need to set it inside the car. It's gonna destroy stuff.
Oh, was that not inside the car?
No, that was
No,
underneath.
Underneath the bottom.
Yeah.
Put it in the car.
Put it
Yeah,
right
it'll actually do
behind the
something.
wheel.
Put it on the dash.
Now I say windshield though.
Pick
We
up
won't do
the
I
fender,
see
like the
windshield.
suspension, and put it on the tire by the gas
nothing. It'll
tank.
fit right there, right on the front. It'll you
Yeah.
just shove it in there and shoot it.
Right on top of the front tire.
Shove it in there real good. Stuff it
Yeah.
in deep.
Shove it in there nice and tight.
Yeah,
Or what
finger
about-
in.
You're hitting the car, man.
I was trying to
he
shoot the
is.
gas cap.
Oh, I thought you was over trying to hit the headlight. I'm like,
No,
hey,
shoot the headlight.
I want to shoot it.
I think
Yeah, shoot the headlight, Ben.
A lot of
I'm not going to hit the headlight.
Still a lot of concussions from it.
I think you got it.
It's not solid in at all.
I'll tell him we should. I like watching the flame go 4 foot out in front of the. Man, you probably can't even hit that bucket.
Anyone else want to shoot it? I can hit the freaking bucket.
You can't hit that bucket even. I tell you.
What?
I think he's getting.
He's all around it.
I hit it.
No.
Close. You scared it away.
You want to try again?
Try it again.
It's
I need
one
some
of
practice
You already
first.
did? Already reloaded it?
I'm pretty
Well, this
sure.
is the practice.
No,
Just
she's not
if you
thinking.
miss, I'll handle
Here,
it.
here. Here, what?
It's on fire.
All right, we're ready.
Wait, no. Yes.
No, it blew
Hey,
the top
watch
off
out.
of it though.
Look.
Alex, if you miss,
Did
that's
you
it.
grab the other box?
have
Don't
to do
miss.
Ah!
My
Did
bucket.
you see it?
That's what
Yeah.
1 pound does.
Y'all ready?
Is this 2 pounds?
Are you aiming
Yeah.
low?
God dang.
Where'd you aim at?
There's a
Justin?
fender.